Do your Excel sheets have annoying asterisks everywhere? Maybe they came from imported data or copy-pasting from websites. And now they're messing up your formulas, sorting, or clean visuals. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove asterisks from your data in Excel, step by step. Let's clean up your spreadsheet like a pro. But why remove asterisks? Asterisks might look harmless, but in Excel they can be a big problem, especially when they interfere with calculations, filters, or formatting. Here we have a simple list of product codes. But look closely, some have asterisks in the beginning, middle, or end. We'll clean these up in seconds. First, let's use the substitute function. It's perfect for replacing specific characters like asterisks. Click on cell B2. This is where we'll place the cleaned up version. And enter this formula. Here, substitute is an Excel function that replaces one specific text with another. In this case, we're telling Excel to look in cell A2. Find every asterisk and replace it with an empty string. As soon as you hit enter, the asterisk disappears, leaving you with clean text. Now drag the formula down to apply it to the rest of the column. Want a quicker way without formulas? Try Find and Replace. First, select the range with data. Press Ctrl+H to open Find and Replace dialog box. In the Find What box, type ~asterisks. The tilde tells Excel to treat the asterisk as a character, not a wildcard. Leave Replace with blank. Click Replace All. This is super useful when you're dealing with thousands of rows. If your data has other unwanted characters too, like this, you can nest multiple substitute functions. Type this formula. This formula removes two symbols in one shot. Finally, press enter. Done. And that's it. Whether you prefer using formulas or the find and replace method, removing asterisks in Excel is now quick and easy. Was this helpful? Hit like, subscribe to Easy Click Learning. Got questions or want more Excel tricks like this? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.